Back to Tech Marvel channel. So in this video we will talk about the Reddit is one of the most popular platform for the getting a very high ranking in Google. And whenever you write any kind of content in Google and it will be get ranked, you need to have it in the Reddit. And this is one of the more fastest way to get a ranking. But the next thing is like it is not easy to do it in Reddit, because there is a problem with that. Reddit moderator may block you onto this, because Reddit platform has made to make it a more transparency on the user side, and also the less spam onto any of the people who using this platform. So Reddit they don't want to make it any spam of the URLs and just been bringing a lot of contents over here which is unnecessary onto that. So it never want to do it on the Reddit platform. So this is very challenging and things which we need to understand and respect for the Reddit. So here is how we made some kind of short tricks for using Reddit, and this is all the legal term. It's not an illegal which you are not using a proper guidelines or the and violation from the Reddit. This is the right way you can use it, the Reddit, and you can get the URL into the popular in the Reddit platform. The first is like you have to create your own account Reddit. So you can see the Reddit is here onto this, and you can just find out whatever things are there, and where you can update your all the information on the Reddit site. And the next is that here you can create your own niche onto that. If you are a gaming niche, then you go to that gaming. If you're having any engineering niche, if you're having any medical niche, where your website has been dealing with that. And also if you have an entertainment, if you have any aerospace or airlines or any travel agency or anything, so you find that niche into your Reddit platform. According to that you can find out and you can update in respective with this. Okay, so that is a very important. So first thing is that when you open a Reddit, here also one of the option is shows that you can also put your own website here, but it doesn't mean that you are going to spoil that all the things. So some of the website we can add into the Reddit. So whatever it is that you can put it onto that. So you can go and add your social links what you have, but it will have a no follow link, so you may not get it from here. So this is not important as of now, but you can update your website URL onto this. The next is that the first 1 month just post the image, video and interesting topic stories. So the first of all, like you need to go into the communities, different communities, search them here. If I'm finding a community for the airline, so I will type here airline. So I'll find out some of them here onto this. I just take the communities and I will join this airlines. So if your niche is on airline or travel, you can find out onto this. Just go to this one of the community and go and join. So it's already joined, so it is not showing onto this. So there are many moderator will be here into this community. So you make sure that you should not make any mistakes onto this. So immediately you will be suspended from that community. But don't worry, there are many other communities still you can join with them, and you can enhance yourself into the higher knowledge and as well as get a good benefit from Reddit platform. Okay, so that's a very important now. The next is here, after joining the communities, you should post onto this communities regularly. Like in the sense, some community don't want to know that it is just a silly things. They want some special things which in their community, okay, which people doesn't aware of that. They wanted that things. Okay, so such kind of a community they want it from here, and you can post it onto that. So whatever the latest things is going around you, that you post it in that communities. Okay, the best thing is posting onto that, the getting a more attraction, more higher views, that is getting a good upvotes. So just like you can post it something which is image, video or interesting topics, stories which you can share it on that community. Next, win the trust and earn karma from Reddit. Yes, here you can earn the karma, or the Reddit karmas is getting from the uport. As long as that you get an upvotes, the karma will be keep increasing. So it means that you must have the quality content in the Reddit. If you have a quality content, that automatically the views will increases and the comments will increases. Due to this comment, the engagement increases on that topic. As soon as they get an engagement, automatically it will start feeding onto their all the users account. So has after that, if when it start getting into their account feeding, so automatically the upports will also will increase. As you getting a less hot or nothing hots onto that, slowly it will disappear from the feed of from the users. So that reason, whenever you see that post is getting in a higher, just keep it as it is, so it will keep increasing in that. If it's not getting an upward or anything, you can remove that, or else just leave it as it is. Don't do any kind of an edit in that kind of a post. Okay, next is start discussing and upvotes for interesting topics. As like you are not expecting other people only should come to your post and all and upvote, you should also get engaged onto the other post, give them a upvote if they are worth to get an upvotes, and also you can discuss about some of the interesting topics which is relevant to you. Let's take an example. You have visited Singapore and you know some of the things in the Singapore, and which has a tourist, you find some problems over there and somebody has asked some questions regarding to that, so you can discuss about what all the problem is been shared as a tourist. So because of this, the upvote may increases. Let's take an example. You working into the engineering field, you know some of the very expertising in the skills knowledge, and somebody has asked some questions regarding to that, so you give a honest reply and honest response to that, so you may get upvotes. And even comments also get an upvote. Because of this upvote, the karma will be added onto your account. Okay, this is how you need to maintain. So first thing is that don't jump into making a spam onto the Reddit. First you need to earn a lot of karma to get blocking from the Reddit. That's a very important. So once it's get blocked, then you will no more use for that all the access in the Reddit. Okay, so next is upload interesting topics without giving an URL. Suppose like you have a website and you wanted good traffic for that website. So usually what will do the user is like they bring the topic heading and the body content and they will put it on that Reddit community and they'll give the URL for that. So don't do that one. So once that URL is been displayed or detected onto that, if some moderator will see and they will block that. And interesting thing is like this is not the platform where they push your content into the all the users. They just want a content without any URLs, so you give full information onto that place. Okay, so once that things will get famous, then we will look into that how we can get a benefit out of it. Next is if the post gets a viral and reaches more views, then add the source URL. Suppose that post whatever you have been posted on that community, so if it is getting a good views and good upvotes to that, and people also want to learn more about that things onto this, so thereafter you can give it URL sources. The once URL sources has been added, that all the most of the people who engage to that post, they will start visiting to the URL. So by that one you may get a higher traffic, and also you may get a worthiness for that website which is having a good content on that, if people wanted to explore more about that content. Okay, so now if you really want to upload any URL for that, just do it for weekly one URL. You can add it to onto somewhere into your post. Okay, so it's not compulsory. If you feel that one it is going to have a worth and want a more knowledgeable for to the readers, then after you can add this URL, and every day you start putting the URL onto that, so it won't work. So then again that moderator will block onto that the communities. I'm talking about the other communities, not your communities. Okay, so next is stay consistent and post and comment. Stay consistent, like every day you keep visiting to the Reddit and see what all things are there, what is going on, and you upload to the post which is interesting, and also you upload the images, videos and comments. Comments are very important. If you give a comments on that right things and all, the people also may follow you. Okay, so that is also one of the very interesting that you can do it. All these things is for applying for the community which is created by other user and in that one there are many moderator also will be there, and they're handling this all the things in that communities. Next we are coming to here, you can create your own communities. Yes, by like when they are blocking your user ID in their community, so it will be again a problem, and which not have any proper solution to that. So that's the reason you create your own community here, and also you can post every day 5 post images and videos onto that community. So slowly it will get a good engagement. Immediately the user may not come there, members. So in gradually they may come once the post is getting reaching to that people. And second thing is that you can also invite them for your community. So like if someone is been same field which they are posting onto something on that, so you can invite them personally to join your community. So people, if they are interested, they come and join in your communities. Okay, so this is how the things Reddit can be used, and it will be more easy and flexible. Still you have the success to growth in the communities. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment sections.